Evening, guys. 5:02, North Central Indiana. Can't believe I'm doing another video today. This one is actually, I'm even going to title this one Science. So if you guys don't want to watch it, don't. I get it. But it's fascinating to me. The wind's still blowing. My hair's all over the place. Nice. When I was on vacation this summer, we went to Grand Canyon. But we also went to Petrified Forest, where they had petroglyphs from Native Americans, actual Native Americans. And I told the story once before, but they were drawing pictures because they didn't have words, they didn't have letters. They were drawing pictures of what they saw. And what they saw was sorry, stop sign's too confusing for some people. What they saw was a massive plasma discharge from the sun. That's where you get the stick man from all over the world from the same time. Suspicious Observers did a video on the Adam and Eve story. Chan Thomas. Well, so did my personal favorite, Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Diamond. He also has another channel called Magnetic Reversal News, because we're going through a magnetic excursion right now. The Earth still spins on its axis. That does not change. What changes is the magnetic field leaves the North Pole, starts heading off into the ocean towards the equator. The South Pole magnetic field leaves Antarctica and heads up towards the equator. Why is this important to me? Every time there's a magnetic excursion, it's not a total flip. Could be. Hell, who knows what's coming next. Right now it's just an excursion. So the magnetic fields are moving way further than they should. What that does is it makes our shield weak from space weather. Sun flares, solar flares, coronal holes, which is basically it's a dead spot on the sun, and it's kind of like a storm on the sun, and it ejects plasma at breakneck speeds. So as those turn around the Earth, as they turn around the sun, they're projecting space weather at us. We still have time. Our fields are getting weaker. We still have time. Okay, so here's what happens if we have a solar flare and the magnetos, magnetosphere is going through an excursion. A sun flare pops off. And it doesn't necessarily have to be an X flare or whatever. It can be two solar flares back to back. They hit our magnetic shield, and all that plasma makes it to Earth. Plasma, a massive amount of plasma will, you're talking extinction level events. And what does make it through it? Their DNA has changed. So you've got woolly mammoths are gone, and a new species arrives that survived the magnetic excursion and the plasma discharge from the sun. That's why it's so important to me and to everybody else. It's big. The democide that's going on right now, that's big too. I get it. I have to ask myself all the time, is it wrong to ask for a solar flare to wipe out the grid? Now, I say no. I think that would be a perfect way to get rid of the elite. If we had a total worldwide breakdown of civilization, these people are, that's all they are. They're people. They're just people. They gotta survive just like you. Pretty interesting stuff, guys. Those petroglyphs, man, that's Earth history that is not being taught by almost, I only know 6, 7 scientists that are even talking about it. One of them just passed away earlier this spring. Made a video about that guy too. I think it was called I lost some heroes today or something. I lost my heroes. I don't know. Can't remember. The science stuff it's really important right now. But I'm going to put a link to a short little video loaded with facts about what's going on right now. Take a couple minutes to check that out, guys. It makes me feel small, and what all these people are trying to do to us trivial. If that makes sense. So when I say things like praying for the world, I'm praying for them to wake up and to learn every day. If they learn every day, we got a chance. We're in this for the species, believe it or not. We're in this for the species because of what's going on with our magnetic shield. It's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. Sorry you got 3 videos today. Hopefully this one, you do follow the link to check it out. The Adam and Eve story from Oppenheimer Ranch Project. If you're into this, that is a must. Absolute must. 3-part series, hour apiece. Damn. It's incredible. But that's Earth's actual history. Plate tectonic slips. Oh wait, crustal slip displacement. How else do you explain coral reefs, seashells at 10,000 feet above sea level? Entire cultures buried under the ocean. It's pretty powerful stuff, man. The flood of Noah, that's documented history. That's Earth going through a change. Freaking incredible. Incredible. All right, a little bit of science there for you guys. I'll put a link below to today's video. Oppenheimer Ranch Project. The Adam and Eve story. All right, guys. Love you. Praying for the world. Praying for you. Peace.